Hi, I'm James Payne, a board-certified attorney in Beaumont, Texas. And 18-wheeler accidents are quite different than your normal car wreck. First of all, 18-wheeler accidents occur across this United States on a very significant basis. When you have an 18-wheeler accident, it involves a catastrophic injury or actually death. A lot of that is because of the size of the vehicle. Many times, 18-wheelers don't have the ability, like a normal car wreck, to be able to stop with the same stopping capacity. Accidents involving 18-wheelers occur for many reasons. One, driver fatigue. Many times people think that accidents occur because of drunk driving and things of that nature. But I tell you, driver fatigue is probably a more common cause of 18-wheeler accidents than anything on the road. That's why the DOT requires that 18-wheeler drivers take particular times and breaks because they're not capable of driving these long hours and for a long period of time. When you have cargo in an accident, there are a lot of things that occur. First of all, many people get involved in accidents involving 18-wheelers, and it's not from the impact. It's actually from the cargo itself. Many times people have these cargo accidents and the material actually spill over, and people are affected not because of the impact, but because of the material. One thing people must understand, 18-wheeler companies are involved in accidents all the time, which means they're used to dealing with this. They're used to understanding what happens in the event of an accident. So they already have people in place, designed and ready to go to defend this lawsuit. Most times, individuals don't have that information because they're not used to being involved in these accidents. For the most part, this is the first time many people have ever been involved in this accident. Unfortunately, 18-wheelers are already a step ahead because this is a practice. They actually have a policy, a procedure in place. When you're involved in an accident, you'll see it in their manual. They've been trained. Immediately take pictures, immediately get statements. What they're doing is they're preparing their 18-wheeler drivers for combat, and you need to do the same. Very important when you start looking to lawsuits that you start thinking about what type of compensation might be available to you in the event that you're involved in an accident. Well, mostly everyone understands medical. Sure, you want to get compensated to the extent you've lost medical bills or you've had to incur medical bills as a result of an accident. But you shouldn't just stop there. There are times where you can get compensated for the pain and the suffering and the mental anguish that you've experienced, even lost wages. Those are things that lawyers will be able to look at and try to determine what's going to be your best ability to recover. One of the things people must be mindful when you've been involved in an 18-wheeler accident, watch out for some of the tricks. They will contact people involved, they being the 18-wheeler, will contact people that have been involved in the accidents and try to get statements and try to rush a settlement. The reason why they're doing that is because they don't want you to know your rights and they don't want you to get fair compensation. If you've been involved in an 18-wheeler accident, you need to consult a lawyer immediately. You need to know your rights and you need to know what compensation is available to you. I'm James Payne, board certified attorney with Provost.